Okay, so ready? Quickly. Okay, ready. Over here. 5. Eyes up here. 4, 3,
Give him a band-aid.
2. Do you want that? 1, 0. Okay, everybody should be on this assignment. Dylan, thank you. Okay, we're on this assignment. Saltwater and freshwater, day 5. Okay? So, who remembers what we have been talking about and what conclusion we came to about saltwater and freshwater on Earth? Ledger? There's more salt water than fresh water on Earth, right? Is there a lot more, or is it kind of like a little bit more than that? A lot, right? Like almost the whole world is salt water.
Behind it. So 3% is salt water and fresh water. 71% is salt water, and the rest is land. No, not 87.
Okay, so let's look on here. Ready? Okay, I hear too much talking. Voices up. 5, 4, 3. Elian, eyes up here. Thank you. 1. Thank you. Okay, so salt water, which is including oceans and close lakes and saline groundwater, is what percent?
97.
97. So that means for fresh water left over, we have 3%. Okay? So now we're going to create 2 graphs using these 2 tables. Okay? This is what the first graph will look like. 97% salt water, 3% fresh water. And then our second graph, our second pie graph, is going to look like with this information. So the fresh water. So it's going to be all about fresh water. So ice caps and glaciers are 69% of fresh water, of the fresh water. Groundwater is 30% of the fresh water. William. Soil moisture is 0.05% of fresh water. Eyes are on your Chromebook or up on here, on my board. Ground ice and permafrost is 1% of fresh water. Freshwater lakes is 0.25%, so that's less than 1%. Atmosphere is 0.05%. That's also less than 1% freshwater. Noah, Thomas, pull your mask up. Dylan. Alejandro. Swamp water is 0.05%. Rivers is 0.01%, so it's less than 1%. And then living things is 0.01%, okay? All right, so now, on your paper, those of you online, you're going to use this circle on the second page to create the first part, which is 97%. So let's look at what pie graphs are supposed to look like. Dylan, eyes up here. Ariana. Okay, a pie graph, a pie chart. Ready? Let me make it bigger. Okay, so here is a pie graph. Pie graphs will always have slices, kind of like it's a whole pie and you slice it and everybody eats a piece. But this is going to show numbers, okay? So each slice is a different color. Each slice has the percentage next to it. So one whole pie would be 100%, okay? So each slice of the pie, each piece of the pie chart is a different section. So if I'm looking here, the red right here means Hispanic. That would be 45% and 4/10. For white, that would be this piece right here. Okay? So now this pie chart is going to look kind of like the one that you're going to draw, but you're going to use the information on the class kick assignment to make the first pie chart, okay? So your first pie chart needs to have saltwater, including oceans, closed lakes, and saline groundwater, 97%, and freshwater. So how many slices should be on your first pie graph?
21.
2. Thank you, Bo, because there's only 2 pieces, right? Are they going to be the same size? No, because 1 is 97%, so that's almost the whole thing. It's 97% out of 100. The other piece is 3%. Okay? So then, if you finish that one early, you'll go on to the second one. So for your second pie graph, you'll have how many slices according to this graph? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So on your second pie graph, eyes are up here. You'll have 9 slices. Which one will be your biggest slice? Which one has the most percentage? Ice caps and glaciers. That one is 69%. Okay? Okay, are we ready to get started on our first graph?
I've already done it.
All right. Go ahead and get started on your pie graphs.